Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our YouTube channel called Coffee with Success. We're going to be talking about today how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners as a working mom or dad with 5 simple steps. Let's get started. If this thing works for me. Come on. All right. Okay. 5 easy steps to start. All right, to participate in an affiliate marketing program, you'll need to take these 5 simple steps. First, find and join an affiliate program. Second, choose which offers to promote. Third, obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer. And then fourth, share those links with your blogs, your media, platforms, and so on. And then the 5th is collect the check, right? Getting those commissions from the people who have purchased through those links that you have provided. Okay, so commission rates vary dramatically, right? How much can you make? That's going to be the question. And there's a lot of articles out there and blogs, but this is the going norm. It could be from 5% all the way to 75%, but on the average, it's around 5 to 50%, depending on each affiliate links or services that you're providing. Why choose affiliate marketing? Here it goes, guys. The global worth of the affiliate marketing industry is estimated to be around $12 billion. So the US is driving the market with that being a total of 4.5 billion, right? That's about 39% of the total affiliate marketing. In the UK, it's about 15%, Germany, 11%. These 3 together account for 65% of the sector. Okay. The top reason people choose affiliate marketing is that it makes money, right? Plus, it offers room for a big profit. 35% of affiliates make at least $20,000 a year. That's extra income, additional income that wasn't coming in, but could potentially be coming in very soon. Considering once your content is out there, you'll keep earning passive income without lifting a finger. Guys, passive income. That doesn't mean you have to go do your side hustle with Uber or Lyft or whatever other things you have out there. This is once you set it, you let it be, and you're making additional income. Beautiful, game changer. So affiliate marketing is like a business that you can do from anywhere. If you plan it well and carefully from the start, you'll never regret the venture, right? It's a smaller risk because there's not a lot of going in money. It can be as zero as nothing to get it started, or maybe a couple bucks or whatever it is. Depends where you want to go. It's open for everybody, and it's not saturated, guys. It's not like, oh, well, everybody does it. Let me give you an example I was trying to explain to my kids a while back. They're saying, well, everybody's doing it. Yes, but you have to be out there to drive traffic for services and goods. I was asking him, so what about how many places can you buy Gatorade? You can buy it at the grocery store, you can buy it at Sam's Club, Costco, you can buy it at Publix. We live in the eastern side of Florida. You can buy it at Ralph's, Albertsons, whatever, Kroger's, what other grocery stores you have out there. You can buy it there, or you can buy it at a liquor store or sports venues. And so Gatorade is everywhere, and still yet you continue to buy it. We buy it for our kids because they're active in sports and stuff like that. So even though you think it's saturated out there, people are still selling it. So you can be selling something, a service, a product, whatever it is, and still make money. So there is potential. Don't get discouraged by numbers out there. Let me give you an example, because I could go on and on all these examples, right? Jim started affiliate marketing back in 2019. It took him about a year to start making decent profit. Decent profit. That doesn't mean he wasn't making any money. He was making sales, but he put a little bit of money into it, and whatever he was doing, then he started making profit as little as within a year. This is not there's been cases people have gotten rich right away, but this is not one of those lotto tickets that you scratch off and you become an instant millionaire. You can get there, but it's going to take a little bit of a grit, right? Whatever time you put into it, it's going to give you back. So now what does Jim do? So he used to be in the trucking industry. Now he just travels all over the States with his camper on vacation. He could retire with the money he's made, but he's making money. Like I think he's living already the retired dream, right? But you want to keep yourself active and in tune to what you want to be doing. And he's happy. Like he's making $40,000 a month, guys. That's insane. So the national average for affiliate marketing is $154,000. Let's play that back. The national average is $150,000 per year. That's an average person. You're not an average person, right? You're here, you're listening to me because you want to do more. That's not average. You want to do more. This is right there in those stats that I'm showing you on the screen. It has $11,000 as the bottom of the pole, per se. That means, let's pick it up another $1,000, $12,000 a year. That means you could be making $12,000 a year, another $1,000 a month. That could be whatever your motivation is, right? To buy sporting equipment for your kids, to go on that extra vacation, or to go to any vacation at all, to pay down your bills, kids need braces, whatever after school activities, clothing, time for yourself, time for your loved ones. Christmas is around the corner because I'm doing this video in October, right? You can do that for their birthdays, whatever it is, guys. If you put a little bit of time into this, you will get rewards for it. So how do you get paid? I'm throwing some acronyms out there because I want you to get used to this type of lingo, right? The PPC, pay per click. Affiliate earns credit anytime consumer clicks on their affiliate link. Pay per sale. An affiliate earns a percentage of the referred sales. And pay per lead is an affiliate link results in a qualified lead. They receive a fixed commission. Okay. So far, I don't know if you're in your beginning journey as ground zero or you're just started or whatever it is. Let me know in the comments what has been working for you in terms of ROI. And this is what we're going to talk, right? So how to get traffic in your affiliate links. Pay-per-clicks, paying for a link and banner advertisement in your social media platforms. That's more towards the organic side. When we say organic, meaning that it happens naturally, that you're not forcing, you're not paying, you're not throwing. So you can combine the both or just simply focus on the organic side. But that's going to be your operational costs, right? If you're paying for advertisements so you can get traffic, well, then you're going to have to reduce that from your commissions. So for instance, if the commission is to sell, I don't know, a course or makeup or whatever it is, or weights or hunting gear, whatever it is, I don't care, a cup. And that cup is $100 commission. If you spend $50 on the advertisement, well then, your ROI is going to be less because you put 50% of that commission into it. So you're only going to make $50. But guys, that's still a money-making machine, right? Because if I put $1 and it gives me 50 cents back, I'm still making 50 cents back. If I had $1 million and if it gets me 50% of that, now I have 1.5. You get it? You guys are smart. You guys understand. I'm going to chop it up. So let's continue down. How can we get you started as a beginner in affiliate marketing? And the reason why I'm focusing on dads and moms and stuff like that, working parents, because I myself and my wife are working parents, and that's how we got started. And I know the struggles and the distractions and the tiredness that gets through, but I'm telling you, there's some motivation, there's some beauty into this, and I want to put those smiles that we have once we broke through it back to you guys. So I want to get back to you guys. Subscribe on this channel, keep us motivated so we continue helping. We're very, very happy to be here, my wife and I. And in the next videos, we'll show you how to get there. Thank you very much for hanging out with me for these last few minutes. Take care, guys. And if I can figure out how to close this up, I will. There you go. I think. Stop sharing. I have so many screens of that, or I can't find my mouse. Oh, geez, this is great. Where are you? So let's stop. Hopefully it stops recording, because I don't know where. All right, and we'll say end. It's like the longest ending. Take care, guys.